Welcome to Cooking For You. Let's make Oreo cake. Place about 6 small packs of Oreo biscuits in bowl. Next, separate cream from biscuits using a knife. Place the plain biscuits in a mixture jar and blend it into fine powder. And now add buttermilk and mix. Make sure there are no lumps in it. Add in more buttermilk if needed and give it a good mix until we have fine smooth batter. And then add baking soda to it and mix well. Now transfer this batter to usual teacups. Now take a pan and preheat. Place a container in the bottom or a plate and now place those cups above it and cover it with a lid and make sure to keep on low flame for about 25 minutes. And now our Oreo cake is ready. Top it up with chocolates and sprinkles and have fun. Thank you.